Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can power off the Samsung Galaxy A73 5G. I think you've realized it already. If you are long pressing the power button, you wake up big spirit. But how to power off the phone? For that we will need next to the power button the volume down button. So press these both buttons, long press these both buttons until you see here the power off menu. Then just tap on power off, tap again on power off, and the phone will shut down. There's a second way to power off the phone. For that, just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, and then you will have here the symbol to power off the phone. Just tap it, and you have again the power off menu. Confirm again on power off and again on power off, as you have seen before. But you can set up also here the side button as a real power button. Let me show you how you can do that. For that, just scroll down here, then go to the symbol for the settings. Then you need to scroll down to the point Advanced Features, and you will have the point Side Key. Okay, and you can set up what you want to have if you press and hold this side key. Actually, we're waking up big spirit, but we want to power off the phone. So, and now, whenever you long press now the power button, you have the power off menu. Just confirm on power off and again, and the phone shut down. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.